Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm going to show you how to turn what we call a latch on a mortice lock. I have two types of mortice locks, which I'm going to show you how to turn the latch. Each is different, so you just stick around and learn something from here. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I continue supporting each. If you are new, please consider subscribing on this channel so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be notified. You just stick around, don't skip up to the end. Thank you. First time you see me, my name is Joseph, and I request you to subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, will be notified, and remember to press that bell so that you will be notified. If you are my returning subscriber, please welcome back. Thank you for supporting the channel. Continue supporting the channel, and I promise I will be bringing more videos like this one, or even different, and which are educative. So you just stick around and I will learn. I have this young engineer here who is also trying to learn something. Just don't mind about her. Next few years she will be an engineer. So I have this one. When you want to fix, sometimes you find this on opposite side. So what you do with this one, you can pull this one using a plier. It comes out. After coming out, then you turn. If not, there's this profession here, there's a hole here behind. You get a screwdriver, you push here like this, and this one comes out. Then you turn it either on right or on left, so that after fixing it doesn't hit the what? The jam. So what you do as I have said. There's no another way of turning this apart from that. This one is finished. Then I have this one also. Is this one, you don't need any screwdriver or what. So what you do, you push this one, this latch, you push it inside like this. Then you turn. Turn it like this. This one is very simple. And then it goes back out to the position. I think you can see. So this one, it has a metal here. This one, which acts as a stopper. So you turn the lock like this, and this metal comes down, and you push inside, so it will work very well. But if this one, if this one doesn't have that metal, so what you do, you can either pull it using a plier, then you turn, or you get a screwdriver, you push here, and this one comes out, and you turn it. So that is how we turn or we change the latch professionally. Now some people, when in this one like this, they turn this one down like this. That is not their way. This latches have to be up, and this deadlock have to be down. This one is called the deadlock. This one is a latch for the hand. If we want it, turn it like this. The handle, after fixing, you turn it like this, and this one comes what in, comes in, and this one, and it works the way you want. So thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing and hitting the bell if you are new. I think we meet on the next upload. Thank you. Goodbye. Maybe you get out. Is it too much for you? You clean both sides.